This tutorial demonstrates how to assemble the development board. There are two ways to open it. First, place your palm firmly and evenly on the back cover. Gently rotate it counterclockwise to loosen it. Once loosened, continue rotating slowly to remove the cover. Alternatively, align a screwdriver with the hole on the back cover and gently push it counterclockwise. Once loosened, slowly rotate and remove the cover. The included lithium polymer battery has the following specifications: 3.7 volts, 500 milliamp hours, model 62535, MX125 to 2-pin connector with standard polarity, and a cable length of 3.5 centimeters. Please note that the lithium battery connector has a specific polarity. If connected in reverse, the wire order will not match. If you purchase the battery separately, make sure its dimensions do not exceed the following limits due to the restricted internal space: 35 millimeters long, 25 millimeters wide, and 6.0 millimeters thick. To install the lanyard, first remove the back cover and insert the lanyard through the lanyard hole. Pass a thin string through the lanyard loop. Then use it to pull the lanyard through the hole. Once finished, gently rotate the back cover clockwise until it is securely tightened.